This is Rain. She's a Storm, one of Faith and Shadow's children. She's a pretty girl. She had a boyfriend, but he lost interest because she was not nice to him. These other guys behind her, they've been out this morning. They're hoping to get out again tonight. And that's Boss and Gabby up there. Mojo's decided to stay in today. You staying in, darling? Oh, you don't want to be on the camera? All right. All right, well, she's a pretty girl. Who's a pretty girl, huh? Hello, what you doing, Bubba? That's Senna. And that over there is, Willem and what's her name? Shalom. Shalom is the name. There we are. All right, where's my beaky boy? Where's my beaky boy? There he is, right there. Say hi. Say hi, beaky beaky. You want to get out? All right, well, I have to get these other guys back in first. Who's that? Oh, there you are, boo-boo. You don't want to come sit next to Rain, huh? You working your way over? Come on. This was the boy that was very interested in Rain, but he got tired of her standoffishness. Now he likes to hang around in the alley there. Oh, see what happens when you're too picky? You've got to be all by yourself. Well, you'll find somebody you like. You like somebody. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.